In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and view your purchase history on Steam. All you need to do, make sure you're actually logged in, and then I want you to come here and hover over your profile name. Go ahead and click on that, and then I want you to click on Account Details. Now, under Account Details, we have the Store and Purchase History section. So I come here and click on View Purchase History. I'll be able to see all the purchases I made, what dates I made them in, what games I bought, what items, right? What type of transaction it was it a purchase? What kind of, transaction method, payment method I used? I used Visa card for this, MasterCard, the amount. And if you had been using your wallet funds, then you would see the change and balance of your fund. And there you go. This is how you do this.